Got a John Deere 8300, stock number FT3036. Tractor just went through testing today. We've got a complete 3-piece front axle that we're going to leave together. We don't have any leaks on this axle. It's also been updated on the seal kits. It also has the newer number on the steering knuckle and the newer 2-piece or 2-fitting steering cylinder. You can see that the knuckle is completely different color than the hub, so that verifies it's been updated. Steering or the outer tie rods have also been replaced. They've got a different color, so someone's been into this front axle and rebuilt it, replaced it with a lot of new pieces based on the part numbers on it. The right hand side, you've got the same exact thing. Same thing on your seals. No leaks. Updated knuckle. Updated steering cylinder. And the updated or replaced tie rod end. This steering cylinder shows just a little bit of hydraulic oil on it, so we're going to say the right hand steering cylinder could need a seal kit. If it does, that'll be something that you'll want to replace before you put it on, but it's not leaking. Tractor's been sitting here today. It does have a leak on the somewhere off of the engine, but it's been sitting here all day and there's no leak underneath the axle. It's just tested, so if we can help you out with a complete 3-piece front axle, let us know.